Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this video, I'm gonna talk about why Infinity Processing System might not be for you. All right, I'm gonna keep it real. You watching this, you might have heard of Infinity Processing System. Maybe you haven't, but it might not be for you. All right, so here's why I'm doing this video. I get a lot of questions about Infinity Processing System, aka IPS. All right, and some of them kind of confuse me, right? And others, I'm like, okay, that's legit. That makes sense. But after getting so many different questions, it occurred to me like, yo, this might not be for, some people. And here's why. Infinity Processing System is a system, right? It is a system that you join, right? It's a system that you actually pay for. You're paying for a system. This system allows you to start generating commissions by selling the system, right? Now the system, what's in the system is actually teaches you how to do social media marketing and how to start generating commissions. Now, which I always say all the time, like I try to stress that it's really good training that you don't have to use just to promote Infinity Processing System. You can actually use the information in the program to promote whatever you want. But most people, just like myself, we like commissions. We like instant commissions. And, it's a great program to actually promote, as an affiliate. But you have to be a member of the program to be able to, sell it to start earning commissions. So a lot of people, like, one person asked me like, yo, is it, how do I get started? And I'm like, join IPS, right? Decide, do you want to come in at the $50 level, at the $150 level, or the $300 level? That's it. You decide, right? So they're like, whoa, levels, what you mean? Well, it's simple. I'm break it down to you. The $50 level allows you to get a certain chunk of training, which is very good training. Even at the $50 level, it's very good training. Then there's the $150 level, which obviously is more training. And then there's the $300 level, which is everything. Like, you get everything, right? All the training, all the images and promos, all that. You get all of it for $300. And whatever level you come in at is what level of commission you can earn. So if you come in at the $50 level, you're like, yo, I want to get started for $50. Okay. Now you can go out and earn unlimited $50 commission. Boom, 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 over and over and over again. If you decide, yo, I want to come in at the $150 elite level, great. Now you're able to earn $50 commissions as well as $150 commissions over and over again. So that means some days you might get $50 commissions. Some days you might get $150 commission. I just hit my hand. You might get $150 commissions, right? Boom. Then you got the $300 level. You say, yo, I'm coming in at the pro level, baby. I'm ready to smash it, right? Which a lot of people smashing it with IPS, a lot, right? So you like, yo, I want to come in at the $300 level. That will allow you to earn $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and $300 instant commissions. Now, keep in mind, these commissions are paid to you directly, instantly, because you decide how you want to be paid once you are a member, right? So you can set up a Cash App. You can use Cash App. You can use PayPal. You can use Stripe. I don't think, do they got Bitcoin? I don't know, maybe. But I know me personally, when you join, you can use Stripe, PayPal, Cash App, whatever, right? Whatever more convenient for you to pay. So it's a very, very simple process. All right. So here's the thing though. If you're not willing to invest and join, right, IPS, and if you don't have $50 or the $150, if you don't have the $50, the $150 or the $300 money right now, it's not for you because it do cost at some level, right? It does. So you need to understand that. And if you're not planning on using the information inside of the system, it's probably not for you, because keep it real, the training is legit. It's real training that teaches you everything you need to know to start earning $50 commissions, 150, 300, you get the point, right? So before you take that next step, before you're like, oh, I want to get into it, or you join my email list, you opt in or whatever, you contact me or anybody, and you're not ready to invest in the program because, yes, $50, you pay $50, you can make that back tomorrow, right? And that $50 can make you thousands of dollars, right? Or, that $300, you can start earning $300 a day just by selling, one pro package, right? So it's a real system. It's a real online business opportunity, but you have to look at it like that. There's very few businesses that you can start without you having to spend absolutely any money, right? Very few where you don't have to spend any money. And I think a lot of people get confused on that. It's a opportunity. It's an online business opportunity. It's real training. It will allow you to earn real commissions. And just to be clear, to give you as much information as possible, these payments, the $50, it's one-time payments, right? One time. It's not a monthly thing. So you don't have to pay $50 a month or $300 a month, right? It's one-time payments. There is I believe, $20 or $25 website setup fee that you pay once you join, and that's just to get all of your payment processing set up. The company does that for you, but it's like one-time website setup fee. That's one time, right? So keep that in mind, right? So I gave you all the information you need to decide if IPS is for you, right? If it's for you. I'm trying to think of anything else because I get all these questions all the time. You know what I mean? Oh yeah. If you do decide to join at whatever level, right? I hit my damn hand again. Like, treat it like a job, guys. People are making a lot of money from IPS. Trust me when I tell you. As a matter of fact, when you sign up below and you join my email list, you opt in, I'm going to get you in the payment proof group in our Facebook. It's a private Facebook group where you can see proof of what people are making with this system. All right. So, if you join at the $50, whatever level, like, please take it serious, guys, because you really can make money. And how to take it serious is when you join the program, go through the training. Listen, go through the training because it will show you everything you need to start earning money online. It's that simple. I know this damn video was long, but you don't know how many messages and questions I get about IPS, and I be thinking, damn, I thought I explained that. So you know everything you need to know about this program. If you decide to join, I will help you get set up. I will give you all of the tools, information you need for you to be successful with this program. So if you want to join Infinity Processing System, you can do so by checking out the first link in the description of this video. Once you join, I'll reach out to you and help you get all set up. All right, I'll see you on the other side. Peace.